All right, welcome guys. So I recently had an issue with my Focusrite interface the other day when I reinstalled Windows. I couldn't find any fix on YouTube for it. I just had to figure it out myself. It took me like 2 hours to figure this out because it, it just didn't make sense to do what I did for it to fix the problem. So if you go to your control panel, um, you just literally go to the search and just put control, and then you could just press enter, and it should just pop up, right? You go to uninstall programs, and you find your Focusrite applications, right? So what I had found, I had downloaded the Focusrite drivers, all that stuff, as soon as I reinstall Windows to get my mic to work, blah, blah, blah. And I opened up Focusrite Control, and it wouldn't show this. It wouldn't show this at all. It wouldn't show this section. What it would show is help me connect my interface, and then it would bring you to this website. Hey, I have a problem with so and so. My Focusrite isn't working. Blah blah blah. Well, the way to fix that is you have to uninstall the audio driver right here, the one that's highlighted. Okay, uninstall that. Restart your computer. And then for some reason, it'll like update, I guess. And then it gives you the correct like driver for the Focusrite that you currently have, which doesn't make sense because I already have it. I already had it. That's why it took me so long to figure out why the problem continued to rise. It's because you have to delete the freaking audio driver. That doesn't make any. That's the problem. That was the problem. Didn't make any sense to do that, but I did. I just figured I'll just delete the Focus audio driver. Maybe Windows will pick up on that because I already have the Focus control. Maybe, I don't know. And as soon as my PC booted up again after the restart of deleting audio driver, it said my Scarlett Solo 4.0 was connected. I was like, holy shit, it's working. But that wasn't it. As soon as you see that, okay, I automatically made sure everything was default for the Scarlett Solo. I still wasn't getting audio. I still wasn't getting my mic feed. I still wasn't able to talk. So I opened up Focusrite. And it finally did give me this program finally opening and working. So what you have to do is you have to go to the settings on it, preferences. Then you have to go to device, I'm sure, application. No. Where is it? Okay. It updated. So it just updated recently, so I guess some things changed. But I guess you want to go to device right here and click right here. Combine input 1 and input 2. Make sure those are enabled. And then it works. You might have to do that. So, anyways, guys, if this helps you figure out your problem, please let me know down in the comments because this had me beat for a while. Anyways, thank you guys. See you in the next one.